Okay, you go through your stuff, right? But I need to download to the phone from the phone. Just hold on. Let me see. I just download it. So those you left blanks means you don't know how to do, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So let me go through with you. Okay, I share screen now. Okay, so we look at the this one. Let me see your answer. Hold on. I just look at your. Okay, you can see what I'm putting up, right? Yes, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so let us go through one by one. So write down which are following are integers. Okay, so you're correct. Let me see. -5. You have 2 pi. Okay, good. So what is an integer actually? What's an integer?
Whole numbers.
Whole numbers. So this can be. You have a calculator with you. You try to -6 times -6. Can you try? What's your answer? -6.
I go get my.
Okay, please get your calculator. Okay, you take okay, square root of 36. What do you get? Square root of 36. You get 6, correct?
Yeah.
6. Now, but you must know it can be +6 or -6. Can you take -6 times -6? What do you get?
36.
36. So down here, you'll find that you can see the board. So if it's -6 times -6, 6 times 6, 36, negative, negative, positive. 6 times 6 is also 36. So the square root of 36, square root of 36 can be +6 or -6. Of course, +6, we don't put the plus here. So these are the possibilities. Sometimes you will see them writing like this, plus, minus. So this is 6 or -6. So now we learn now square root of positive numbers can be a negative number. Let's say square root of 4, you can see, square root of 4 is can be 2 or -2, because -2 times -2 is +4. 2 times 2 is 4. So for for square root of positive numbers, you will get either positive or negative. Always. So the square root actually is only square root of positive numbers. You cannot have square root of negative numbers. So square root always will have 2 possible answers, plus and minus. So in this case, now we go back to your question paper. Okay, your question paper says down here, if it's +6 or -6, it's still a whole number. It's still an integer. Okay, down here, numbers that are irrational, pi, 3.142, blah, 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 correct. The other one is yes. What is this dot? This dot, do you know what is it? Let's say that if I put 0.3, I put a dot upstairs. What is this?
0.3333.
Yeah, 0.3333. So 0. Let's say now down here, you can see, right, 0.16 dot dot, what does it mean?
0.161616.
Yes, 161616. So let's say now you have down here another one. Let's say 0. Then 1, they put a dot. 2, 3, 4, put a dot. You know what it means? It means you repeat the row. 0.1234, 1234, 1234. That's what it means. Okay? Okay, okay, we go back. So far, yeah, so far you have done all right. So this is all correct. In descending order, descending is from big to small. Okay, this is lesser than this, correct? Well done. Well done. This is correct also. So far all correct. Now it says express to two significant figures. 670, correct. Two significant figures. Correct. Well done. Okay, well done. Let me see now. Oh, yeah, this we finished with this. Just hold on. Let me just double check. Okay. Now, where's your, sorry, where's your, okay, down here. So find the LCM. This one. Okay. So this one actually, we can do it in a few ways. We can do it, we refer to number 4 down here. Okay, I will show you the method, but I'm not too sure whether you will get it, but let us see. Okay, this one, no, let me try some. So the rule, you got to write this down somewhere, Edmund. Okay, the rule, for these type of questions, you write the rule. Okay, to find LCM, use the bigger numbers. Use the bigger numbers. To find, this rule number 1, I will show you what it is again. Rule 2. To find HCF, use smaller numbers that are same. What does it mean? So now they want you to find HCF and LCM, correct? Right, down here. So there's two numbers here. So now let's compare the 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 2. Which one is bigger? 2 to the power 4 or 2 to the power 2? You know this is one number. This one is one number. This one is now another number. Do you know that first?
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
Yes.
You know, so now the numbers are given in index notation. So it's 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 2. Which one is bigger?
2 to the power 4.
4. So remember, according to the rule, to find LCM, use the bigger numbers. So I want to find LCM first. So LCM, I take this one times 11 to the power 3 or 11 to the power 6. Which one?
11 to the power 6.
Okay, so this one is bigger, correct. Now the next two numbers, you don't have similar one. When you don't have similar one, okay, this is rule number 2 for LCM. For LCM, to find LCM, use non-similar, dissimilar, dissimilar numbers. So if your numbers are the same, you take the bigger one. If there's not the same, you must use them. So there is no 17. You must use the 17. You must use this 19. So what does it become? It becomes like this. Your LCM for the two numbers will be like this. LCM will be 2 to the power 4 times 11 to the power 6, because you have 11 to the power 6 down here, times 17 to the power 4 times 19 to the power 3. So I'll just show you the screen over here. Can you see this? This is LCM. This is the bigger number. This, that's now in your worksheet. If you look at it, this is the bigger number. This is the bigger number. This one now, there's only one of the number. If you look at the worksheet, there's only one. One of the numbers have this. The other one have this. You must include this type of numbers also. So to find LCM, when you have index notation, bigger of the same number, bigger of the same number, not the same number you must use, not the same number you must use. For HCF, only one rule. HCF use the smaller of the same number. So you tell me now, what is the smaller of the same number? There's only 2. It's 2 to the power of, you got a paper? No? Okay, I'll show you screen, share screen. No. Now, you look again now. Which one? 2 to the power of what?
4.
2 to the power of 4. Wait.
2.
2 to the power of 2 and times by, which one is the same numbers?
11 to the power
11 to the power of
3.
3. So this is your HCF. Okay, your HCF is like that. I'm going to give you now a question on my own to see whether you understand. Okay, so I repeat the rules. For HCF, take the smaller of the same numbers. Okay, are you okay?
Yeah.
So there are 2 numbers. Hold on. So now, there are 2 numbers. This is one number. This is another number. I want you to find a HCF. What's your answer? HCF. Use smaller or same numbers. Which one are the same numbers that are same?
3 to the power of 4.
Times
7.
7. Well done. HCF. Now, I know you don't understand what's happening. Okay, don't worry. Now, LCM. LCM, they say if same numbers, use the bigger one. But if different numbers, take just all the different numbers. So, what's the LCM?
3 to the power of 5.
Okay, times
7 to or 2 to the power of 4.
2 to the power of 4. Some more.
Times 7 to the power of 2.
Good. Some more.
Times 11 to the power of 5.
One more. You forgot one more. Never mind, we can write.
That's right.
Okay. So this is how you find LCM. For now, never mind, if you don't understand, it's okay. But you learn the procedure. What's meaning of procedure is your step-by-step process. You know how to find this? You can find LCM, HCF. You don't need to put it inside the thing anymore. If they give you like that, you can use this method. How? Okay, no?
Yeah.
I know you still don't understand why. Why HCF? Okay, we come to that later. Okay, I give you another question to see whether you can find the LCM and the HCF. Okay, you have 2 numbers now. This number one, number 2. Okay, what's the HCF of the 2 numbers?
3 to the power of 4. And 5.
Any more?
No.
Well done. LCM.
2 times 3 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 3 times 7 times 9 to the power of 4 times 11 to the power of 3.
Okay, you have understood, dear master. I know you're wondering what is this? What? Well, okay, you have understood this. Explaining, we don't explain yet. Okay, but you understand how to do this. You memorize the steps, can? Okay, you memorize these steps. Okay, so don't worry. I'm going to pass you your video. Do you look at yourself in the video?
Right.
No. Okay, then at least you have all these videos. Next time you can go through towards the exam. You can go through. Okay, we move on to the next one. So, okay, you got the answers already. Yeah, you know how to do. This one now. Okay. They ask you to find. Sorry, I have not seen your answer. Your answer is, can you do this next one? Oh, blank. So, this is equals to this. Now, what you need to do? This one, Mr. You need to do this, 2205. You have to do this until you get 1. You know what to do? Can you divide by 2?
No.
Can you divide by 3? Can you try to use your calculator? See, can you divide by 3?
Yes.
Okay, then you divide by 3, what do you get?
735.
Okay, can you divide by 3 some more?
Yes.
What is it?
245.
245.
Yeah.
Can you divide by 3 some more?
No.
Can you divide by, what's the next prime number? Prime number, not 4. 4 is not prime number. Next prime number
5.
after 5. Can you divide by 5?
Yeah.
What do you get?
49.
Good. Can you divide by 5 some more?
No.
Divide by next prime number. What's the next prime number?
7.
Good. You get 7. Can you divide by 7 some more?
Yeah.
What is it? You get
1.
1. So you write this as index notation. Tell me what is it as index notation?
3 to the power of 2. 5. 7 to the power of 2.
Okay, good. Now they say, let us look at the question now. You can answer already. Look at the question. You tell me what's the value of x, what's the value of y.
1.
X is how many? 1.
X is 2.
Y is
1.
5. Y is 5.
No, 1.
1. Z.
2.
Good. Well done. You know how to do already? Chicken.
Yeah.
So I'll give you my own question now. My own question. Okay. 1,000. Hold on. Sorry. Let me give you. Okay. Find what is, sorry, you cannot see. Sorry. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Find what is x, what is y. You do first. You do your you know what to do, right? That you draw that line and then you do like this, You draw, then you do. Okay.
X is 3.
3.
5 is 2.
Good. So is it like that? 2 to the power 3 times 5 to the power 2?
Yeah.
Yes. So now you know how to do this. But remember, now you know. Maybe 1 month from now, you might don't know again. You think possible or not? Possible, right? We'll forget, right? So that's why you must refer to the video lah. I know that some students don't like to look at the video, but it's okay. So let us see what's your next question. Do you get it? Next question. Okay. All right. I will have to check the other side. You can see question number 6. Question number 6. Let's see. Minus P plus 19, correct. Then minus 3M minus, yours is minus 2N. This one on here is minus 4N. Minus 7. So let us look at your second one is correct. How can your second one be correct? Okay, that might be. We look at this one. M minus 3N. Find the difference. Find the difference. Given that M minus 3 is the larger number, so you minus. Okay, when you minus, this is the problem here. This is the problem. Okay, I show you the problem now here. When you want to do the minusing like that, you watch. Okay, my suggestion next time, what you do, put inside a bracket first. m minus 3n, close bracket, minus 4m plus n plus 7. Now you remove the brackets. So first one, you remove the bracket, no problem. M minus 3n, same. But now, minus times plus, you get minus 4m. Minus times plus, you get minus n. Minus times plus 7, minus 7. So let us look at yours. We look at yours, watch. Yours is only one of them minus. But if you put a bracket down here, like down here, you put a bracket, then you must remember minus times this, minus times plus, minus times plus. Then you will get all of this becomes minus like this. Can you see that? You know, mistake. You try again. You try again. You see whether can you get it. You look bigger now, Edmund. What's your weight now? Do you grow taller or heavier? You look bigger now. Look like a big boy now. Or should I say you look like a man? Okay.
3m minus 4n minus 7.
3m, m minus 3n.
4n.
Can you either write on here? You can write your answer here. You know, you can see a notate. Can you write your answer here?
3 minus 3m
Minus 3n
minus 4n minus 7.
7. Let us see, yeah. Minus 3n minus 4n minus 7. Okay, well done. So you got it, huh? So be careful. So the lesson we learned, we need to bracket it up. Let me see. Okay, we move on to the next number now. This is page 2, right? Okay. Okay, let me see. Hold on now. Okay, so this is the next one. This is number 7. Number 7, let us see. Number 7, 66.70, whether you're correct. Number 7 is $70. So let us see what went wrong, okay? The price of a wallet is $30 more than a belt. The total price of 3 wallets and 2 belts is $290. 3 wallets and 2, okay. So now, what we got to do, we got to use the X. Okay, what do we mean by this? Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you now. Okay, this one you can write it. We normally choose the cheaper item to be X, okay? Let the cheaper item, what's the cheaper item here? Is the belt? Belt, okay, belt. Let the price of the belt. You know why we cannot say let the belt be X? Because what of the belt? Is it number of belt, price of the belt, weight of the belt, volume of the belt? So that's why we must write, must be specific. Let the price of the belt of the belt, of a belt lah, of belt BX. So now, therefore you can use, you watch Terminator.
Yeah.
Predator.
Yeah.
You watch, huh? Predator? So Predator, he has a special machine gun. I wouldn't say machine, a special gun that you will scan and have the triangle like that. Ever seen it?
Yeah.
Okay, in maths, this means therefore. What does therefore means? In short, it means so lah. Say, I am not happy with him. Therefore, I punch him. So I punch him. So, if the thing, this one you will see it now, on top like a triangle. If you see like that, this means because. But we don't really use because, we use therefore. Okay, therefore, normally therefore. So let's say now you can see this. Let the price of the belt of one belt be X. So therefore, the price of one wallet is how much? You look at the question, what does it say? One wallet is how much? It's $30. They say the, I'm showing you now. The price of wallet is $30 more than the price of a belt. So this must be X plus 30 lah. Because the wallet is more expensive than the belt. Okay, later I'm going to use your W later. I'm going to use your W. I'm going to show you how to solve using the W. Okay, so how many belts are there and how many wallets are there? Let us look at the question. Okay, we look at the question. It says now, the price of 3 wallets and 2 belts is 290. So we can write it. They say 3 wallets. Wallet is X plus 30. That is for 1 wallet. 3 wallet, we put 3 down here. Can see? Because this is wallet, right? The price of 1 wallet is X plus 30. Why X plus 30? Because the belt is $30 more than the, the wallet is $30 more than the belt. So the belt is X dollars, the wallet is X plus 30.
I cannot see.
Sorry?
Cannot see.
Oh, cannot. Oh, sorry. Okay. Down here, I write the equation. So once you have given X or so, you see, let the price of 1 belt be X dollars lah. All right. Let the price of 1 wallet X plus 30. Why plus 30? They say the wallet is $30 more than the belt. So must be X plus 30. Then they tell you 3 belts, 3 wallets. So wallet is X plus 30 times 3 lah. Plus 2 belts, right? 2 belts, right? So 1X is for 1 belt, 2X is for 2 belt. Is equal to 290. Do you understand this equation? I repeat. We go step by step, okay? First of all, they say the price of a wallet is $30 more than a belt. So maybe I write it very neatly. If you don't want to write long sentence, no problem. You can write price of belt. Belt is cheaper, right? You can put like that. If you want to lah, X. Therefore, or you don't want to write therefore also, never mind lah. Price of wallet, the question says, is $30 more than the belt. So I put X plus 30. What is this? It's the price. How? Okay na so far?
Yeah.
3 belts, they say 3 wallets plus 2 belts cost $290. So I put 290 here. Cost, I change it to equal because the price is equal. 2 belts. 1 belt is X, 2 belt is 2X. Then 1 wallet is X plus 30. 3 wallets must 3 times X plus 30. So you must times 3 times X, you must expand 3 times 30. You try to do, see whether you get. Then later I'm going to show using your other method. Using your method. Expand already?
Not yet.
Can see, huh?
Yeah.
Make it clear for now. How, Edmund? What do you get? How many X?
Wait, 5x equals to $200.
Well done. X equals to?
40.
Good. What is X? Oh, X is the price of the belt. So this is the price of the belt. What is the price of the wallet?
Oh,
Wallet, yes, you can see the question says $30.
$70.
Well done. So now, but I want to use your method. You have also come up with a method. So let us see your method. No problem. Okay, your method is, where is it? Hold on. This. So you have 1W or use B, you use 2 unknown. You see, what we are using here is 1 unknown. There's only X. If I have X and Y, I cannot solve it. How to solve it? You will learn in Sec 2. X and Y, there's another way of doing it. But for this case, once you can put on one side, you put X, another side, you put a number, you can find it. So if someone give you an equation with just 1 unknown, this is called an unknown. 1 unknown, you make equation, you can solve it. 2 unknown, like what you have done down here. This is 2 unknown. Where is your, hold on. This one is 2 unknown, you see? W and B. You don't know what's W, you don't know what's B. Equals to this. You can't find it, not for now. Okay, in Sec 2, you will learn the method. But this question, you cannot solve it if you use 2 unknown. Why? Well, you need to wait until Sec 2, then it'll be easier for me to explain. But for now, you only are finding 1 unknown. If they ask you to solve, find the price, you must have 1 unknown. Is it okay? You get it?
Yeah.
So there's another way of finding. Let's say now, I suggest let the cheaper one be X. But let's say now if you say, no, I don't want. I want to let price of wallet, let's say you say price of wallet be W, because you use W just now, right? So then price of belt is W minus 30, because wallet is more expensive. Correct? You understand this part?
Yeah.
Okay. So now down here, you want 3 wallet, 3W. Right down here, 3 wallet, 3 times the price of the wallet. Because wallet down here is W. So 1 wallet is W, 3 wallet is 3W. Plus 2 belt. 1 belt is W minus 30. So you'll be like that. Is equal to 290. Although it's different, this one got minus, you know. This one got minus. This one got no minus. That's why I prefer to put the cheaper one as X, because it's all plus. Once you put the more expensive one as the unknown, the W or X, to find the cheaper one, you got to minus. So you do it on here, see, I show you the same thing. Plus 2Y, W, 2 times 30 minus 60. 3W plus 2W equals to 5W. You bring a 60 over 260. 30. No. You bring over 60 become plus. Minus becomes plus, right? So 290 plus 60. So 5W is 350. So 1W 350 divided by 5 is 70. So correct also. It's a correct answer. So you must always, sometimes some students, they already do the question, then they got answer, then they get wrong. You know why? Because they forgot what is W. They said W, this one, or they forgot what is X. This one, 40 is the price of wallet. No, you must look back down here. That's why it's important to write what you are putting the unknown to be. You let the X be the price of belt, so you only found the price of belt. Down here, you let W be the price of wallet. What you find is the price of wallet. Can? No problem. No problem. Okay. You okay? All right. Now let us look at your next one. Yeah. 2x minus 19, and then you have another one. So let us see now. This one, number 8. Number 8 is 4x minus 19. Yours is 2x minus 19. So we got to check. And then it says down here, minus 4x plus 11y plus z. Minus 4x plus 11y plus z. Minus 4x plus 7y plus 3z. So it's a different thing. Let us look. Let us look at what you have done. You see, once you have done this, you know why we have to give you the homework, and we got to give you last minute so that you can still remember what you have done. I think you found out your mistake, right? You know what's your mistake? Okay, you try, see whether you can do it.
X minus 19.
Okay, 4x minus 19 is correct. Well done. So let us see just 4x minus 19. Correct. So you notice that the mistake is here. You should put a bracket here. So minus times minus becomes plus down here. Right? So 3x plus 4x plus x equals to 4x. Okay, good. What about here? I think, is it the same? Yes, it's the same thing. You must put a bracket. Put a bracket first. Then when you expand out, you remove the bracket. You try this one again.
negative 4x plus 11y 9 plus d.
Well done. Means you know how to do. Congratulations. The next one, this one, from the question number 9, you got it correct. Yeah? Or A and B, you got it correct. Okay, so we don't need to go through that. We move on to the next one. Let's see. So minus 2 and 10.5. Let us see question number 10. Minus 2, 10.5. Congratulations. Edmund, you are getting better, Edmund. Do you feel getting better? No? Can feel? No?
Well, I think I'm just strong in this topic.
Sorry, man.
I think I'm just strong in
Algebra.
topic. Yeah.
Do you know that algebra is the main part of the whole secondary school? Whole of secondary school, the main part is algebra. So if you are good, okay. So maybe certain parts of the primary school topic like percentage, all this we have to brush up. Okay, we will brush up. But it's good that you are very good at algebra. That's very good. Sec 2, people start failing because of algebra. When I was in Sec 2, I started to fail because of algebra. So your algebra foundation is good. You'll be soon better than others. You can see, you will notice later on, towards end of the year, some of your friends may become weak in maths or even fail because of algebra. Primary school, they might be strong, but if they don't master algebra, mati lah. Okay, so we move on to this one. So this one is correct. Well done. Okay, as you can see, there's only one unknown down here. Do you notice? No, there's P, right? It's P, yeah, correct. So P is the unknown. Only one unknown you can find. Down here is X. One unknown you can find. But if in the same equation you got two unknown, you have to wait for Sec 2. Let's see. The next one now. 3QP plus 2Q. Let us see. Okay, this one, 3P plus 2Q. Congratulations, correct? 8P plus Q. 8P plus Q. Well done. Well done. Huh? So question 11A and 11B, you got it correct. But just let me check how much you sent, man. Okay, well done. If you know how to do this, well done. Okay, this one now. This one now, the general term, you must first of all understand what is the question saying. Do you understand? Okay, I'm going to change screen to this one. Okay, this one. Do you understand what this question is saying? Or you are confused? The general term for a number sequence is given. What does it mean? Can you tell me? You know what it means? Or don't know?
No.
You know?
No.
You know? Okay, so I'm going to tell you what it means. You see? Now I write in simple English, okay? For you, okay? Okay. This is the formula for a number. That's what they're saying. Okay, like this, something like this. En is equals to minus 2n plus 3 is the formula for a number. What does it mean? Very simple. You see the n down here? This is position. Position, you know position, you come in first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So numbers you have a sequence. Now you have a number sequence. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It's an odd number sequence. Correct? So 1 down here is the first position. This number one is called T1. Terminator 1. The value is 1. T2, term number 2 means position number 2 is, what's the number? This one. 3, yes. Okay. For T4, what's the number? T4.
7.
Good. What about T6? What's the number? T6.
11.
11. Well done. So now, what they are saying, this is now the formula for a number. Whatever number, now they give you a formula. What does it mean now down here? Whatever number you want to find. Let's say I want you to find, Edmund, T6, the sixth position. Very simple. You know what you do? You put the value of n in, you put 6 inside the value of n plus 3. So you get 2 times 6, 12 plus 3 equals to 15. You understand? You
Yeah.
get it? Okay. So you try now. What is the 10th term? Oh, wrong. Sorry, mistake. Sorry. There's a minus here. Minus times plus is minus. Sorry, I didn't see the minus, so sorry. So this one will be -9. Sorry. Can you see the minus here? There's a minus down here. So we need to put a minus in front. -2 times 6. But all you need to do is you put the term, the position inside the bracket. So you try. What's the answer?
-17.
Good. Well done. Well done. So now, how to find this one now? Very simple. You know how to find this one? You put like this. You write down the formula. -2n plus 3 is equals to, for B, 27. Then you find out what is the value of n. You try, you find out.
Is it supposed to be -27?
Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Thank you very much. I will have to pay you tuition fees for this time. Very bad of me. Because in secondary school, one mistake like this will cause the whole sum to be wrong. It's very frustrating. Can you bring the 3 over plus 3, bring over, become -3. -27 minus 3. You owe 27, you owe 3. Sorry, what's the answer?
34.
24.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Wait, no, wait. 12.
12.
Yeah.
Okay, I will try. -2, 12 plus 3. Minus times plus equals to minus 24 plus 3. I owe $24. I have $3, so -21. No, different. You want -20. So let us see. I think your mistake is somewhere down here. You forgot to do this. You see, you -27 is equals to, sorry, -2n plus 3 is equals to -27. So now you bring the 3 over. Plus 3 becomes -3. So it will be -27 minus 3. So this one become what? 24, not 24. You owe $27. You owe $3. You owe more money. So you owe how much? You owe 30, yes. So you owe $30. Okay. So now you find You want to find n? Very simple. Take minus 30 divided by, sorry, where, down here, n, you want to find n, right? You minus 30 divided by minus 2n, minus 2. You try now, minus 30 divided by minus 2. 15 is positive 15, minus minus equals to plus. So it's a 15 term. Let us test. So we can test this, Edmund. We can test this. Let us see now. We test, right? We look down here, minus 2n, right? Minus 2n plus 3. So let us test, minus 2, 15 plus 3. So minus 2 times 15, minus 30. Minus 30 plus 3, well, you got $30. You have $3. You owe $30. After paying the $3, you still owe $27. Correct? Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, so we move on to the next one. Let me see your okay, we have to open up the next one. Mine 0.11, 3.12, is it? Let's see here. What number? Number 13. They want 3 significant numbers. Okay, so let us look at this one first. The significant figures. I think there's a, I forgot to spot your mistake down here. We go at the very first one here. Okay, your first one down here. Down here, when you have 2 significant figures, okay, for as long as it's 0, 0, like this one is 0, this one is 0, you don't count it as significant figures. This is 1 significant figure, this is 2 significant figures. So it's 0.020. The 0 in the beginning part of the decimal, you don't count as significant figures. I'll just show you know what I mean. Now down here. Now we ask for 0.0124. If they say 2 significant figures, you count first 0, second 0 not counted. Counted. So 2 significant figures is 0.012. But the other way now, the other way, you have 0 at the back, 12400. You first, second, you already count. You have to count. So 2 significant figures here is 12000. Notice for decimal, if it's all 0, you start counting from the first non-zero digit. So you have to look again at this one. Let me show you your question. So this one is 1. So was this one, right? So this one now, 3 significant figures. Okay, you are using your calculator, right?
Yeah.
So what's the answer? Can you tell me what's your answer? For A. You tell me the whole answer. I will write it down.
Zero point 0.01191059361.
0.11
91
91.
059.
Okay. So 2 significant.
There's some more. 561.
56.
59561.
59561.
Yeah.
So they want 2 significant figures. You cannot start counting from here. You cannot start counting from here. You must start counting from here. 1, 2. Means you have to cut down here.
Yeah, see.
Cannot see, yeah? Oh, yeah. Oh my God. This one 3 significant figure, sorry. 3 significant figure. No, sorry, yeah? It's not 2 significant figure. Hold on.
Oh, then I saw wrong.
Okay, so down here is 3 significant figures. You must count this in, this in, this in. So the number will be until like that. So your answer will be 0.0119.
0119.
What? This one become 2, right?
Yeah.
0. Although this is 0, you have to include. Because once you start down here, 1, they want 3 significant figure. You still have to include. If not, if you do like that, this is only 2 significant figure. So for decimal, remember, you start counting after the non-zero. Okay? But let's say Edmund, if it's like that, how? The 1.0119,105. So your 3 significant figures must start from here because this is non-zero. You start already. So it's 1, 2, 3. It's until here. So it's 1.01.
Okay, so there's a whole number. That means the zero is already counted as a significant number.
Yes.
Oh.
So once you have the 1, not be counted. So imagine if it's like that. If like that, let's say 0.100101. And they ask you for 2 significant figures. Okay, let's see now. Okay, you do first.
Okay, what did I find?
Sorry. Hold on. You can see the board,
Yeah.
Well, I cannot see you now. There's too many. Okay. So this one, let's say I want 2 significant figures. Down here. Example. What you tell me what's the answer?
0.10.
Good. So notice once you start from this one 0, right? You must start the next one already. If this one become like that, let's say a 7.1001. So 2 significant figures for this one. How much?
7.1.
Yes. You get it,
Yeah.
This is different from 2 that. Okay, now this one significant figures. If they ask you 2 decimal places for the first one, what's your answer? 2 decimal places.
2 decimal place.
Yeah.
0.0. 0.10.
Good. This one 2 decimal place.
7.10.
Good. So 2 decimal place, very easy. 2 decimal. You're clear?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You're clear, very good. Okay, let me just test you. Hold on. Let me see what's your question. Hold on. That is number 14, right? Okay, this type of question actually is estimate. Okay, let us look at what you have done. Let's see. Because they say don't use a calculator. You can see your screen. You can see this question.
Yeah, I didn't see the estimate.
Yeah, but this is not a good question actually. Why? Because estimate. Okay lah. They want us. We can find out what is 64. But remember what I taught you. I just taught you that -8 times -8 is also 64. So actually, this is a possibility. As you maybe now you have not learned that lah. Now you have not learned that. So I'm just going to write the question here so that you can see. Sorry. 65. Not clear. 65 Hold on, I just copy first, then I will enlarge the screen. So now, down here actually, so they say estimate, once they say estimate without a calculator. So we estimate 64, okay. If you estimate 64, remember I told you, it can be 8 or it can be minus 8.
Wait, for secondary one, you can use calculator for
Paper 1, 2.
paper one.
And paper 2. You can use calculator unless they tell you like this question, they tell you no using calculator. This is paper 1.
But you can check, right?
Yeah, you can check. You can check. The thing is you can check. Yes, that's a good trick lah. So in this case, actually, you see minus 8 times minus 8 is 64. So later on, your teacher will teach you that square root of 64 is minus 8 or 8. So actually, then this one, you can add lah together. You can add 0.95, not a problem, you see. You can add, you get 4, 1, okay, 9, 4.94 plus 8. Then you get the answer 12.94. But it can also be 4.94 minus 8. It can also be that, you know. Square root, it means that. So it can be like negative, okay, we got to find out what's the answer. 8 minus, so negative 3.06, I think. Something like that. So, but don't be confused yet. For now, your teacher have not taught you that square root can get negative number. It's okay. You just ignore first. But later on, when it come out, don't be confused. Because what's the meaning of square root? Square root means what number times itself. So now we want to find square root of 64. What number times itself give you 64? Well, 8 times 8? Yes. But minus 8 times minus 8? Yes. That's why this is square root. This is also square root. But for now, you have not learned about square root to get negative answer, so you just leave it alone. But later on, maybe end of this year or early next year, latest early next year, you will do this. Okay, we will stop here. Then I will give you another paper, but the paper, I want you to do only on the day itself. You know why? If you do earlier, you cannot remember.
Oh.
So that's why I will send your mom lah. Okay? All okay, Edmund?
Yeah.
Okay, Edmund. We'll catch up with you again. Well, let us check your answer for your last one first. Your last one. Let me just check. Did you do the last one? Let's see. Okay, last one. Okay, you 6.3. Let us see whether you got 6.3 for question 16. 16, you put 6.3. Let's say it's 11. 17 is this. Okay, I tell you what. Can you try again your 16 and 17?
Yeah.
And then we go through next week. Can? All right, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye. See you.
Bye.